Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this rate matches with multiple jumps problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem. Okay, guys. So here we are given an n-to-n matrix of n rows and column, and here we are starting our journey from matrix from topmost left block means I comma 0 is equal to j comma 0 matrix 0 0, and we have to reach the right corner of the right bottom corner of the matrix, like n minus 1 comma n minus 1 are the index. Okay, so and we can only move in two direction, and the first priority of our first priority is forward means move in column, and then we have to move down. Okay, so we have to move as much forward as possible. Okay guys, so okay, and we have to find out we have to return the matrix where 1 means we are using this particular block, and 0 means we are not using these any block, and we have to return minus 1 if there are no any way to reach from 0 comma 0 to n comma n minus 1 comma n minus 1. Okay guys, so how we can reach here? Let's come here. I just wrote the whiteboard. Okay, so this is just another version of rate maze problem. This is just similar rate maze problem of very famous DP problem, backtracing problem. Okay guys, so here first of all we are given 2100. I just make a variable. Just 2100 3001 3001 0101 0101, and next one is 00001. Okay guys, here 0 means here M in matrix ij represent us the number of moves we can do from a particular column. Like from this column we can do only 0 moves, means we cannot move further from here. We can either go one step here, we can either go one step there. From this particular column 3 we can go maximum 3 steps in forward, maximum 3 stands maximum 3 steps in downward. We cannot here because we cannot go here because here is not any block present. Okay, it is out of our bound. Okay, mij means number of moves we can move from a particular mij column. Okay guys, so now how we will solve it? So we will start from 0, and one by one from 2 first of all we come to 1. Okay guys, so from 2 I what I will do what I will do I will take two calls. One step I try to come here, then in next step I will try to come here. Okay, now here it is equal to 2, then I will try to go there, then I will try to go there. Here I am moving step by step, one step in this direction, then before doing second step in same direction I will doing one step in downward direction. Why? Because I need as much forward element as possible. Okay guys, suppose if I come here, if this is 0, I am giving you one more example. This is the example 2022. This is the example 2022 4332. What I want to say, you will be must it will be very clear then. 4332 0132 0132 and 1404 1404. Okay guys, now what I will do, if I will move in a one direction, then I will move to 0, then from 0 I cannot go anywhere. So what I will do, I will move to 2. Okay, so now I will move to 2. Now from 2 I can move to here, so I will move one step here. Okay, now I will move one step there, and from 2 I come here, I come here, I come here. Number of forward step I took is 2. First, second. Now, suppose another scenario. From 2, I try to go 0, we cannot go there. Okay. So, before going to 2, what I will do, I will try to go to 4. Now I will try to go to 4. Now from 4 we will go one step 3. Now from 3 we have other way. So before going to 0 I will iterate all the ways from 3. Now from 3 I will go to 3. Now from 3 I will go take one step and go to 3. Here I can take maximum 3 step, maximum 4 step, but in each step I will make only one step. Okay, because I need to increase my forward number. Okay, now from 2 what I will do, and because I am doing a step by step, so our downward step will always be like one step this, then two step in forward, two step in downward. Okay, this is how we will solve it. Now I am at 2. Now from 2 I can come here, I can come here. If I choose the blue mark, then the forward step I have is 3. So I will need the more number of forward step. In both cases I am reaching the destination point, but I will choose these 3 paths. Okay, that's why what I am doing, I am taking one step in this direction, one step in this direction. Then after taking one step, what I am doing before taken second step, I am taken same the one step in other direction. Then I will took two step there, two step there. Okay, you can took one step first here, means first you will take forward, then you will take this, or first you will take downward, then you will take this, then you will take this. Means it is first step, second step, first step, second step. Means what I single step I am taken, but first of all I will try forward direction, then I will try downward direction. Like from here, first I am trying this, then I am trying this. Or what I can do, I will first try downward, then try forward. Okay, anyways, you can use. Okay, then you will take two step there, two step there, or you can use first of all you will take this step, then you will take this step. Okay, reverse can be order. Okay, now the order can be reverse as well. Okay guys, so I hope you will understand. Now let's move on to the approach. So one by one we will move, and at as soon as we reach 4, then what we will do, we will just return 1, means we have reached. Then this 2 will return 1, means we have reached. This will return 1, means we have reached. This will return 1, means we have reached. This will return 1, this will return 1 to it. And when 1 return, it will return 1 to main function, means we have completed. And we will modify this matrix and submit our answer. Okay guys, so how we will submit it, how we will do it. So I am taken example here. Now from 2 I will take one step, I just change the color. This is the approach. Now from 3 I come to move. Okay, so means I have used 3, I have used 2, so I will put -1 here. I will update my matrix. Okay, now from here 1, from here 1, what I will do, I will update it -1 and store taken a variable steps, means the number of steps we can take from a particular block. Now for this the steps will be 1. Okay, steps will be 1. I am not writing steps for all the cases. Okay, now from 1 we can move one step, we can go there, then it will return -1 because we cannot go anywhere. It will return -1, means we cannot go forward. Then we try to go downward, we cannot move forward or downward because we have only 0 number of steps here. Okay, so we will return -1, and it we will update it 1, means we have one step left here, I am not using it, and return 0 here, means we cannot succeed if we are taking this move. So how our matrix will look like, our matrix will look like this is -1, and I have completed this way. Okay, this direction. Now I will try one step in this direction. Now from 3 we will try one step there, one step there, both will return 0. One step, two step there, two step there, both will return 0. Now I will took 3 steps here, I will took 3 steps here. Okay, now I will took 3 steps there. Now from this one and put it -1, means we have 3 number of maximum step. Now for this the number of step is 1, I will update -1, I will make it -1, and for this the number of step is 1. So I will try to go forward, but we don't have any block, so I will come here, update it with -1, and number of steps we can move is 1. Now from here I cannot go forward, so I will try to go downward. Change this to -1. Okay, change this to -1. Okay guys, then what I will do, from this one we will return, now we are at the last index, so we will return 1, means our command is complete, means true. 1 means true, we will return true. You can say more clearly. Okay, then from this 2 we will return 1, we will return 1 to here, then we will return 1 to here, we will return 1 final code. And then how we will update our matrix, either we can take a new matrix, or we can update this matrix all the cell which contain -1 replaced by 1, and all other number replaced by 0. -1 means we have used the current cell, so we will update it with 1, means we have used. All the other cell left with any number of moves will be became 0, which means we don't use this particular cell. Now guys, suppose one more condition. If this is 2, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is, suppose this is 2, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0. Suppose any this kind of 1 1 1 1, suppose any this kind of. Now when this 2 became -1, means it is in our use. Number of steps for this call is 7. It will call to this. Now it will become -1, and it will call this will return 0, and this 0 became -1. Now we don't have any move, so what we will do, we will update this 0 value again to 0, means we cannot use this cell, or we are using this cell, then we are not able to finding any path. Okay guys, so we will take this move. Now this one will become -1, and number of steps here is 1. Now we cannot take any, we do here, we go here, but we don't find any path, so we will return 0. So it will update its value to 1 and return false, means I cannot able to find path, so please don't come at me. So what this one will say, okay, I am updating my value to 1, means I am not in use yet, please reverse back, this path, and now try for another path. Now it will go to here, this 2 became -1, and similarly we will try all the possible paths. This is, I am updating value from 1 to -1, and when our this cell cannot help us to reach to our destination, then I will again update my value from -1 to 1. Okay, this is how I am doing backtracking. Means once if I am using the cell, I will update it to -1, else I am again updated to the current value. Okay guys, so this is n is equal to number of rows, m is equal to number of column. Step means the step in the starting column is equal to step. G00 is equal to -1, means I am using the starting block. Then I am calling a function solve. 0, 0, n, m means the starting index, the size, g, and our number of steps for a particular block. Now, and if my g n -1 m -1 is, or n or m is equal to same here, okay, it is an square matrix, I don't conclude it my answer. You don't need to take this m as well, or you can pass n here, okay, because n and m are same. Okay, anyway, now if the first index is not is equal to -1, means we have not reached this index yet, so means we have not reached to our destination after doing all the solving function, after doing all the after traverse through all the path. Okay, so at last what we will return, we will just return -1. Else while we are updating our matrix, like for each row in our vector g, in our 2D vector d, and for each jth column in my ith row, if my jth element is -1, update it with 1, means it is used in my path, else while became it 0, and at last return g. Okay, so now how it is work, ij, nm, vector g, and step. So if I is equal to n minus m, n-1, mj is equal to m-1, means we are at the destination, we will just return 1. Else while what we will do, for the number of steps, from 1 to number of steps we have for a particular I comma j block, if my j plus k less than m, means I can take this much forward step less than m index, then my Cur means the current number of index in my G I comma J block. Now I will take G to Gi and to J plus K means the number of steps in my J plus Kth block. I will update my Gij plus K minus 1 means now I am using that particular block as well. And if my sol I comma J plus K block means I found a path, then I will return 1. Elsewhere I will again update my value to current means I will update from minus 1 to 1. Here from minus 1 to 1. 1 is current. From here when my K is equal to 1, when my k is equal to 1, when my k is equal to 1, then this is 1, this is 1, so our current will be is equal to 1. So from minus 1 we will update to 1. Okay, and as well from minus 1 we will update to 1. Now if we don't find any path, then we will try to go downward. If my I plus k less than n, then I will take current to my I plus kj, update my I plus k at the row element minus 1 and try to solve with I plus k element. If found any path, return 1, else while update my gi plus k or j to current means the number of steps of this particular block. Now at last I will just return 0 means I am not able to find any path by doing all number of steps, so I just return 0 now. So I am now compiling it. You can see the correct output it is shown to me. I am using these and these three columns. From 2 I am going to 3, then from 3 I am going to 1, then from 1 I am going to this one, then this one, and this is our destination. Now I try to submit it. So guys, you can see all the 200 test cases pass out. Okay guys, so I hope you all understand the approach. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. So please subscribe the channel, like the video, and comment out if you understand the approach. Thank you for watching this guys. Stay tuned.